everyone to this video. In this video, I'll tell you how to change the color of any outfit without using Photoshop. It's gonna be a quick but a very interesting video. So let's just get right into it. So I have opened up this image in Photopea, so the image's link will be in the description below too. And to open it, just go to www.photopea.com, file, open, choose a picture. It's that simple. Now we have to change the color of our dress from red to maybe any color, for example, let's say blue. So how do we do that? So first, let's go to this icon. It's like a circle, half white and half gray. Click on it and then go to hue and saturation. Now your range will be master. Now from master, change it to red. And then we can change the hue, and it is not affecting the background, but it is affecting the foreground, like the skin. So first, let's choose our desired color, for example, this. Now let's close hue and saturation, and then we'll mask the skin out, because right now here you can see that the mask is applied on the whole image, as the mask is all like white. And one thing to remember is that in layer masks, white is equal to add and black is equal to subtract. So it's white everywhere. That means the mask is applied to the whole image, but we do not want it to work on skins. So how do we do that? I just told you black is equal to subtract. So first let's zoom in, which is Control plus, and pan, which is spacebar, like this. And now we'll go to brush tool, put our opacity to 100, flow 100, and our foreground color black, like that. And if it is not black, just click on it and then choose black and then press OK. And let's keep our hardness to about 80%. Now let's paint on it. And it is masking out the skin from this image. So let's quickly do this on the head. Just paint like this. And here I have to be extra careful, because see, I have exposed some of the red. So how to fix it? If there is a mistake, just change the foreground color to white, which we can do by X, and then paint over it like that. It's that simple. Now let's finish this. Smoothly do this and finished. Whoops, some small bit. And now mask the hand. So here you can see there's a mistake, so I'll change the foreground color to white by X and then paint on my mistake. Now I'll decrease the brush size and increase also. So decrease and increase shortcuts are left and right brackets, square brackets. So left bracket is small and right bracket is large. So now I want a small, like that, because I want to be precise on the edges, like this. So just paint over all this. And that's the fingers. And here a problem is happening. As you can see that the fingers have some reddish color, but we have changed the color of the dress to blue. So right now I will not tell you how to fix it. This will be in the next part of the video. First we'll just mask out the skin from the dress. So let's mask here too. Whoops, a mistake. White as the foreground by X and then paint. So let's paint over here as well. First I'll do the edges with a small brush like this. And you can not be precise on the white, as it is not affecting the white, as white do not have red in it. Just quickly paint here. Like this. And that's about it. So now you probably know the technique, so I'll be skipping the legs, and in the next part I'll tell you how to fix this problem right here, that it is reflecting the red of a dress, but right now the dress is not red, it is blue. So how to fix this I will tell you in the next part. So I'll meet you there. So after doing the legs, it will look something like this. And if you have done all the masking, you can see that now we have the ability to change the dress into any color. That is amazing. But one thing is still left, which I told you I will tell in this section, which is that red area over there on the finger. Let's zoom in. Control plus zoom in, space pan. So this is the area that I'm talking about. So how to tackle it? So we'll first make a duplicate of this hue and saturation layer, and we'll first, so here you can see if I press Alt and then click on the mask, here you can see that all the mask, so I was telling wrong. So some area is white and some area is black. So the black area is what we have masked out. So first we'll go to the brush tool, shortcut key B, and then increase the brush size, right square brackets, and then make it all add. So the hue and saturation layer is applying on the whole image, and Alt again, and this is the result from where we started. So right now I'll hit Control I, which is invert. So all the white turned into all black. So invert is like opposite. And now we'll zoom in on the hand here, and we'll go to brush tool, decrease the size of our brush. Oops. So decrease the size of our brush and put the hardness to 0 and opacity to, let's say, 20%. And the shortcut key is 2, so if you want to make the opacity 30, then 3, 40 for 4, and let's say 45, so 4, 5, and then 45, so 20 opacity. And let's just paint on this. So you can see it is nullifying the effects of red on it. Let's do it one more time, and then it will be done. So one more time, and opacity 10. Do this here too on the edges. 20. And do this on the edges. Like this, blend it out, and here you have it. We've tackled this problem, and now we can practically change the dress to any color. So first we'll come to this layer. Let's say we want this to be orange, so move this to orange. Oops, so I missed orange, so here it is, orange. And then go to this one, and go to orange here as well, which will be, I think, this. And now we can change the color of the dress to any color. Congrats!
Thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe to our channel because it would help us immensely. Brainy Brothers are signing up for now. Bye bye. See you soon.